name is Joey Remp, and today I will be going over my assignment for week 2 in my Fundamentals of Network Engineering 2 class. This is assignment 2.1, Exterior Border Gateway Protocol. So what this is meant to do is to essentially set up a LAN network or local area network between the two computers to the left and right here, while the main router here is connected to the internet and then connected to these two routers, to the switch, to the PCs. So just to establish that this works, we're going to ping PC1 to PC2. And as we saw above here, because I did it before I did this video, we do have the connection. All 4 were sent and all 4 were received. And we'll do the same thing here. I messed up earlier, but once again we'll ping over, and all 4 sent and all 4 received. Just to kind of break down some of the code we did in here. So we set up the different IPs for the ports that they're plugged into, and then we also set up the BGP or Border Gateway Protocol, and we'll go over that in a second of what that is. But we did basically what you're seeing here. It's the same exact thing that we did on router 1, just with different numbers. And then at router 2 here, we just kind of set up that the bottom 2 were neighbors to one another, allowing for this connection to happen. So another part of this assignment involved answering some questions here. So what part of the network is the LAN or local area network? And the whole structure is part of the local area network. The router connects different network segments and manages traffic within it. The switches are used to connect multiple devices within the LAN and direct traffic between them, and the PCs are the end devices. Each PC is part of the same local network segment and communicates within the LAN. Looking at the second question, what part is the WAN or wide area network? And that would be this main router or router 2 here. The connection between the main router and the internet allows the local network to access external networks and services. Looking at the next question, what is BGP used for? The BGP or Border Gateway Patrol would be used to enable the main router to communicate with external networks by finding the best routes for data outside the local network. And then the final question, what is the neighbor? The BGP neighbor is another router with which a BGP enabled router establishes a connection to exchange routing information. These neighbors communicate to share the best paths for data across the different networks. So yeah, pretty interesting assignment here. Neat setup, and it's pretty good to know how this is all set up, because obviously I imagine we've all dealt with local area networks when trying to play video games with one another, when the same consoles are in the same home, and this is just a better demonstration of how that all works. So I found this pretty interesting. I thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.